What's up, everyone? JD Can Shop Customs. Just out in the shop, we have a new project in here, our buddy Sean's SquareBody. So I'll show you what we got going on. So there's Sean's Square. I can't remember, I think it's a 77. So he's got the Porterbuilt drop member, parallel 4-link in here. He's got a Overkill Customs tank, bunch of air stuff. 22s, and he's got a 5.3 LS with a cam and a 4L60E, slosh tubs up front, custom firewall pieces from Mike at Slosh Tubs as well. Inside, some remnants of old wire harness. I've already emptied a bunch of stuff from the cab, so trying to lay it out. My approach is going to be lay out everything as clean as possible and then start building the harness for this thing. So we've got a new Performance World harness and miscellaneous connectors for the air controls, that type of stuff. So yeah. All it needs is everything. So my plan to start is going to be pulling the rest of the harness out of this thing, start laying out the engine harness and chassis harness, routing everything however it's going to go, and go from there. So my first plan of attack is going to be putting everything in its place, like the rad shroud. So we'll bolt on the fans so we know where they're going to sit, where the connector has to be. Everything needs to be in place, right? So even the dipstick tube, we're going to run the harness for the knock sensor, the intake. I'll decide where the coils are going to go. Even though they're on the valve covers right now, they're not going to stay there. So I don't know if we can stuff them in here, if there's going to be room with the wiper linkage, or if there's just going to go through the firewall under the dash, and we'll have the coils on the inside and just have the spark plug wires coming through the firewall or something like that, but they're not going to be on the engine. So still a bunch to decide, and that's going to dictate, you know, how the harness gets built, that type of thing. So we'll figure it out. Make it look pretty.